I grill my lamb ribs in the oven. Firstly, I marinate the lamb ribs with different spices, ginger, garlic, pepper. I turn on the oven and allow it to get warm. I normally turn on the oven with a temperature of 200 degrees. I now place the lamb ribs in the oven tray. The oven tray I have covered with an aluminium foil before placing the lamb ribs. I now place the lamb ribs with the oven tray into the oven and leave in the oven for 45 minutes. The oven, you remember, is at 200 degrees centigrade with the oven grill function. You can see 45 minutes later, I now remove the lamb ribs because they have turned golden brown, and now it's time to turn to the other side. Within the time, you can also equally look into the oven and always check if the lamb is getting burnt or if it's already brown. It's brown enough. Now I'm going to turn the lamb ribs onto the other side so the other side can equally get grilled. Now after turning it to the other side, I place it back into the oven and I leave in the oven for another 30 minutes. In that time, I'm equally going to be looking at it so it doesn't get burnt. After 30 minutes, I remove, and yes, the lamb ribs looks delicious and it's finished, ready to be eaten. Yummy. This was Wise Talk with Yvette. Thank you for watching. Cheers.